LG Ultra HD 4K TV offers a bold, new standard for picture quality in the home. But what is it exactly? To understand 4K, let's first take a look at current full HD televisions, which offer 1,920 pixels, the tiny dots that make up the picture, across the width of the screen. The more pixels, the sharper the image. Now, imagine a TV that doubles the number of pixels across to 3,840, which is approximately 4,000 or 4K. Vertical scanning lines are doubled as well, from 1080p to 2160p, so that makes 4K resolution 4 times that of full HD. You can even sit closer than you would with an HD TV, better feeling your field of vision, but you'll still see the picture, not the pixels, assuring total immersion in whatever you're watching. What sort of improvement should you expect with an LG Ultra HD 4K TV? The first time you see it, you might not believe your eyes. Distant objects in a scene can be rendered with greater clarity than at 2K, with more nuances of light and shadow and focus for an almost 3D appearance. Because pixels are units of colored light, their greater quantity in 4K enables more layered transitions and subtler gradations of tones, so the hues we see up on screen will be truer to what we see in nature. You'll see movies the way the filmmakers intended them to be seen, and sports in 4K will make you feel like you're at the game. Worried about a lack of 4K content? Don't be. The LG True 4K engine, which we cover in another video, is now available on all of our Ultra HD models, and it boosts even standard definition video to near 4K quality, so you can be wowed from day one, right out of the box.